Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Josh, or Prez, and I'm a travel blogger and vlogger based in the UK, often experiencing attractions around the world. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you my 5 reasons why on an aeroplane I don't decide to check a bag. So if you'd like to see more content like this, please be sure to hit that big red subscribe button located down below, and also follow me on all my social medias. They are linked in the description. And also, if you'd like to read my blog posts that often go around these videos, that is also linked as well in the description, officialprez.com. So without any further ado, let's get into today's video. So before we get into the main content of the video, I thought I'd share with you my bag, what I take when I go on a plane. This is my travel suitcase. This is what I put all my clothes and accessories into on the plane. It is a cabin sized suitcase, so obviously it can go in the cabin. As I say, the whole reason of this video is why I don't check a bag. So yeah, I'm going to share with you my suitcase. So my suitcase is a Constellation suitcase. I believe that's the brand of the name. It was a give or take around £70. I think we purchased that on Amazon, so if I can find the link to the exact suitcase for a similar model, I'll link that down in the description below. So some good features about my suitcase is it's really lightweight, so it's only like 0.5 of a kilogram, I think, or maybe just a kilogram or something like that. So some of the hand baggage restrictions are like 10 kilograms, so I can put a lot more items into the suitcase. It's relatively big. It's on the larger end, larger scale of my cabin suitcase allowance, so I can fit a lot of items into it, and obviously not go over my weight limit. Another great feature is it's blue in colour, so most bags at an airport are black or white, or they're very basic colours. This one's blue, so it's easily recognisable. Another one is it has got 4 wheels, so it's what's known as a trolley suitcase. So that basically means I can just glide around the airport with it. So I obviously put that with my messenger bag, which is what I put my laptop and all that kind of stuff in, and then obviously I can put that on top of the suitcase and sort of have one hand on my bag and my suitcase, and then I can have like my boarding card, my passport, card, or whatever I'm doing in the airport in the other hand, and it's just a lot more convenient. And so here's some reasons why I like to travel this way. So reason 1 is convenience. Now, what you don't have to do with a cabin suitcase is you don't have to walk around a zigzag queue line to go and check your bag in and drop it off at the drop-off zone. So obviously that's cutting down your queue time a lot. Because as well, you don't have to arrive at the airport like 2 hours before to check that bag in, because you can just take it straight through security. So you can literally arrive like 30 minutes before your flight's due to go, or the gate's due to close, go straight through security with your bag, and then obviously get up on the flight. So you don't have to be at an airport like 3 hours before, even though me, as kind of a control freak when I go abroad, I kind of like to be there about 3 hours before, because often we book the lounge and we like to have a meal and stuff like that before we get on the plane. So yeah, that's really good. If you don't like spending time in airports, you can just go straight through and get on your flight, so you've not got to wait in the airport. As well, at your destination, you've not got to wait for the bags to come around on the carousel. So if you're like us and often get a taxi to your hotel, you can just hop in a taxi and get straight off, and by the time you're at your hotel, people might just be getting on their bus or coach or taxi or whatever to go to their hotel. So you've not got to wait around for your bags to come around on the carousel. You can be in your hotel 20-30 minutes before anyone's even got their cases at the airport, which is, again, another positive. You can start your holiday sooner. Reason number 2 is price. Now, some checked bags with certain airlines can cost up to £100 return. £100 return is a lot of money, so that's £50 each way, and obviously per bag. This makes it around £5 per kilogram, which is kind of expensive when you think about it. Again, you've got to worry about who's looking after your bags. It could end up being damaged. It's just going to cost you more money at the end of the day. So what is the point? Reason number 3 is you don't have to put your trust in anyone. Now, we as tourists or travellers often experience damaged bags. I know I have personally, because the baggage handlers can be a bit rough. I'm not directly blaming them, but some baggage handlers can be a little bit rough, like this. I'm not saying all baggage handlers like this, but you don't need to put your trust in anyone. If you've got your bag with you, you're the sole responsibility of your own bag and own luggage. So if you lose anything, break your bag or anything, there's only one person to blame at the end of the day, and that's yourself. Reason number 4 is you've got everything with you. So whether that be you want to change your clothes, deodorant up before a flight, or pop away your duty-free shopping, you know, you can just pop it straight into your suitcase and you've not got to carry more bags if you've got duty-free, or if you want to change into some more comfortable clothes for a long-haul flight. You know, you've got that all with you, so you don't really need to don't really need to either buy new clothes at the airport if you want to get some comfy clothes, or add that to your rucksack or whatever bag you take with you usually. And it adds the whole convenience option of taking a cabin suitcase. And reason 5 is queue times. Again, I mentioned this in reason 1. You haven't got to wait around in the zigzag queue lines. You haven't got to wait around in the zigzag queue lines to check your bag in. You haven't got to wait with some airlines to actually board the aircraft. Examples such as Ryanair. If you pay for priority into cabin bags, which is what I do when I fly with Ryanair, I'm a regular customer with Ryanair. Not only because they are relatively cheap flights, they also have as well like a loyalty scheme, so I get, the more I use them, the more I get off flights. So because we started using them, we use them more and more, and then we can get certain bits and bobs of loyalty from Ryanair, which is good. But yeah, you can get priority into cabin bags, and they basically let you board the plane first if you've got an extra suitcase. It's a win-win. So there you go, that is my 5 reasons why I don't decide to check a bag at an airport. If I've managed to convince you not to check a bag anymore, please be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. But anyway guys, this is where I'm going to end today's video. If you did enjoy, please be sure to smash a like, and also hit that big red subscribe button down below if you like what you see. Anyway guys, I will see you in my next video.
Yeah, from Prez, say what's up America. Half of you should know me, right?